Okay, we are back for the last video of this series, and we're gonna just go ahead and wrap up anything else that's been missed, any other kind of tips that I've learned. Tips, matter of fact, yeah, let's go ahead and start with tips, because there's one thing that that will help you a lot when you're getting through this process of learning, right? When I go into my projects, right, let's say one of these videos took me like 6 or 7 different regenerations before I could find something that I actually wanted to use. Well, rather than having to go through all of those steps over and over and over and over again each time, what I found is if you go back to the original video, okay, let's use this Reddit story that I have sitting here on the screen right now. When I click on this one, there's a recreate option, right? Well, let's say for instance, I created this one and I found that I didn't like the volume settings, right? Maybe I needed to adjust, maybe I needed to bring the music background just down a little bit, but everything else is fine, right? So I can go in here and click on recreate. I can go to audio. I could just make that slight tweak and I can click generate video, right? Everything else is still there from last time. But let's say that there's an error in how the video was generated, or an error in the way a voice was, or the way a word was pronounced, right? All you have to do is just click on the video, right? So we're gonna click on this one as an example. Click recreate, go to audio, and then click generate video. Oh, there goes some credits. On some of the videos, like the dialogue generator, where it's creating images on your screen, if the images that come up on the screen are not what you're looking for, you can just go right back into the last generation and just generate another one and generate another one. And you can keep regenerating. They use credits, don't get me wrong, but you can regenerate in that way in order to get a different output. Then you have a selection of different outputs based off of the same input. That should make it a little bit easier to find the version that you like when you already have all the other selections exactly where you want it. So just regenerate. Going back to the original homepage, there was a couple things out here that we kind of glossed over, so to speak. And up here they have a section for tools. They have a couple free tools here that you do not have to have a subscription for. One's a TikTok money calculator. I haven't used any of these yet. Estimate earnings for any TikTok account with the simplest and most reliable money calculator. Enter a TikTok @ username. Yo, I'm about to show y'all somebody who's broke. Hold on a second. What is... All right, what do you got to say? Calculation failed. Look, so broke, can't even calculate. Hold on, did I even do that right? Yeah, no, definitely calculation failed. Okay, so I have no clue whenever I would use this one, but it's there, all right? Other tools, TikTok script generator. So the TikTok script generator, right? This is an awesome way of getting a transcription of your TikTok videos. So let's say for instance, let's go to TikTok. We'll take this video, right? We'll just copy the link up here, go paste it, and the transcription. So it pulls up the video here on the left, and it shows you a timestamp for all of the text. You can download an SRT file. I'm not sure what that's used, the subtitle file. I've never had to use one before. So yeah, free tool, has nothing to do with an actual subscription. Anyone can just go straight onto the website and go click on there and use this. Next thing we got is pricing, okay? Most AI tools nowadays, not all, I understand there's a lot of free stuff out there, but someone had to pay to put all this stuff together. So we've got monthly and we got yearly. Now, one of the really cool things about a lot of these plans is they're non-contractual. So what I mean by that is you don't have to sign a contract, right? So if you want to try something out, just sign up for a month, right? If you still like it, keep using it. If not, cancel your subscription. It's like cable. No, Cable, you gotta do, yeah, cable's different. Never mind. Can't do that with cable so much. But you can do it with AI plans. So they've got a basic plan, which gives you 160 credits per month. They got a pro plan that gives you 360 credits per month, and then an enterprise for 720 credits. I'm sitting at, okay, I think I'm like 100 and something right now from all the generations I've been doing, but this is a little bit easier for the usage. The faceless videos are 2 credits for every 30 seconds. So, and then auto captions are 3 credits for 1 minute. I've been using this for this entire week, and let me see, where are we at? My projects, how many projects? I've got 3 here, so we got about 28 here, right? If my math is right. 28 videos, plus I've deleted a bunch too. So I've probably done maybe, let's say about 40. And you're gonna use most of them like towards the beginning when you're like learning how to use everything. But like I said, just keep notes, write stuff down, and then once you find what works for you, you just come in with ideas at that point. You already know everything else is already working, come with idea, come with idea, come with idea. So I've been using this for like the past week now, and the first few days I mostly spent learning how to use everything. I just, like with yesterday pretty much, I got to a point where I'm like, okay, I know how to use these tools in a way where I can come at it with one idea, right? Just take one idea, one topic, one thing you want to talk about, and you can make a fake text off of it. You can make an AI story off of it. You can make the, what was the other one? The dialogue generator off of it. Take one concept and you can make multiple videos that all relate to that one concept. So you don't have to create 4 different videos based off of 4 different things. It's like Moana, use the coke. If you don't know Moana, you gotta go watch Moana. Use the coconut, right? Use the husk, use the meat, use the water, use all of it, right? One idea, multiple videos, one idea. So simple. And what's super cool since you can post videos, I kid you not, sit down and you can make a bunch of videos in one night. And if you sit there and just schedule a post every other night, dude, 5 videos, you can easily do 5 videos, right? 5 videos, and you disperse that over a time frame of every other day. You've got 10 days, you've got almost 2 weeks of content just from sitting down and playing around for one night. So there's so much you can do with this to create from a perspective of getting things done really quickly and being able to have more time to come up with ideas rather than editing and It's funny, when you make videos, you're trying to create an idea, right? But there's so many other aspects of what you need to do just to translate that idea from, oh, I need to share this. Okay, shoot it, edit it, light it, get audio. Presenting this idea as like a small fraction, the percentage of everything else that's involved with delivering it. So using tools like this really help to streamline that process from I have an idea to let me get something out. Not just get something out and get something posted, because within a few minutes you can get an idea to YouTube. So I want to thank the team over Short.AI for introducing me to this program. When I originally came to it, I had no expectations. I had no idea what I was going to do with it, but just from learning how to use it, there's many other possibilities now that are currently available that I'm already thinking about using this tool. So possibilities that were there that I was not aware of simply because it was brought to my attention. Thank you, and I hope everybody gets something from this. Yeah. Enjoy.